got a furnish.
Yeah.
Yay! I did it.
Congrats. Oh my god, a jungle tree. What are you doing to me?
It's snowing.
Jesus. Jeebus. So on your second channel, are you gonna do more of the, like, what's it call it? Fuck. The, Neko News?
No, that's gonna be on a collab channel.
Oh, that's right. That snow, I was breaking the wood and it just like placed itself on where I was breaking. And I was like, what?
That sounds about right.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. How much do I need to make iron?
I might need another stone axe.
Oh my god, we can get iron chickens? We can make thingy chickens.
Thingy chickens.
Yeah. Elven trade, which means there's so much shit. Arc furnace.
I need stone. I mean, cobblestone.
I have one. I'm guessing you need more than that.
Yeah, I need to make an axe.
Oh, I should have enough after this. Yep, perfect. It's in the chest.
The hell was that?
There's cobblestones in the chest.
Ugh. I probably pressed a button which made one of Cade's freaking weird things he set to keys go off, and it scared the shit out of me. I was like, what was that?
Oh.
Like, just then it went num 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 num. And I was like, what?
Oh no, that happens in the game. That's just random in the game.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
What the frick? Why?
It happened to me a lot last time we played.
Did you use all the saplings?
No.
Like the normal saplings?
No.
Because I don't have any left.
Yeah, take this.
Luck. Luck. Pure luck.
Seed. I give you the seed instead.
Yeah, that's just luck.
Yeah.
I hate that.
The nom 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 nom.
Yes, I hate it. Why? Why does it exist?
I don't know, but it does.
Stop. Do you hear it?
No.
What? Is it just me? What the frick? It just happened again. There's like 5 of them. Are you like setting it off or something?
No.
What the hell then? Why do I hear it?
I don't know.
I hate these trees. Why is this my job?
I don't know.
Frick.
Nom, 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 nom.
I really dislike these nums. These num-nums. They are not pleasant. It's in my ear hole and it's weird. Oops. It's not funny.
It's pretty funny.
It's not. It's weird. And unpleasant.
I think to get the most ore, I think I need to sieve sand. Out of everything. I don't like the snow.
The snow.
Yeah, I got more iron and I got some lead.
The fact that we're getting iron and stuff is pretty good.
Yeah, but we need more dirt.
Yeah.
We might need to infect the next lot of trees and just use the string.
Yeah.
Ugh!
What?
I just got the nom noms.
It's so weird, right? Why is it we haven't heard that before? I swear.
Ugh!
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but
Do you see why it creeps me out? It grosses me out. It's weird.
yeah.
It's just in your ear.
Use the string.
Very unpleasant num-nums.
It's the same noms that the chest guy
Yeah,
does when they
luggage.
pick up stuff. Yeah, luggage does when they pick up stuff. Yeah, we're gonna need to infest the next lot of trees with the silkworms.
Why'd you take the jungle sapling out?
What do you mean?
No mind. I swear you took the jungle sapling out.
No, I took the wormies,
Oh.
silkworms.
No!
What?
Not again!
What?
I'm lagging again.
Oh,
Fix it.
I thought you like dropped something off the edge of the world and I was like, what?
Yeah.
I might make a bigger platform just for like crafting and whatnot.
Yeah, like a separate.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna extend it. How am I walking behind here?
No.
Whatever you do, don't take your hand off shift.
Yeah. I'll meet your doom.
So I'm just gonna extend it back this way.
Walk this way. Don't infect the next tree because it's the last sapling we have
Oh.
of oak. I think oak is our main source of tree.
Yeah.
Could you use the seeds in the sieve? Like tree seeds? I don't know.
No, I've tried.
No. Is Kate home?
Yep. Just walk through the front door.
Yeah.
Oh.
Great. I'm gonna hear a lot of Yeah, you might need a bigger chest because, okay, cool. I'm gonna just dump these strings in here. Oop.
Oh.
Gonna shut the door.
I was gonna put the smelty stuff in there.
Oh, well, you can do that. I just chucked those in there because there wasn't any room in this tree.
You should be putting them in the
Oh, that's right.
the things for me. You weirdo.
I completely forgot.
Oh, there we go. So we need 4 to make an iron chunk. Then can I smelt the iron chunk into? Yay! An iron chunk goes into. So I've effectively made 1 iron ingot.
Nice.
Equivalent of 1 iron ingot.
Congrats. You know, right?
Yeah.
You know how she's like a bitch?
Yeah.
Well, obviously, I said I wasn't gonna be friends with her after, like, everything she did. But I still was, like, respectful.
Yeah.
Like, I wasn't treating her like shit. Even though I didn't like her, I didn't, like, say anything rude or
Yeah.
treat, like, yeah. And then, we have this group chat, which was the 3 girls I was talking about.
Yeah.
Which is me.
Yeah.
And we were like sharing photos of like formal dresses for year 10. Even though because of COVID and stuff, I don't think we're gonna have a year 10 formal.
Yeah.
And I shared one of the photos of a dress I really liked, and just goes, oh, that looks like the exact same dress as. And I was like, oh, okay, well, I didn't know that. And she was like, yeah, I've been wanting this dress since year 9 for the formal. And I was like, right. I was like, you know, like, you wouldn't want to wear the same dress as someone to the formal. Like, that's just, like, you wouldn't want to do that. You wouldn't want to look like the same as someone. Like, trying to make it really rude.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, you don't have to be rude about it. Like, I liked this dress, and I even told her about it, and she said, yeah, it's pretty cool. And then she goes, oh, well, you know how, like, a nice person, she doesn't want to upset anyone when she doesn't want someone wearing the same thing as her. And I was like, the fuck?
Yeah.
You know, me being me on my period and shit, I was like hella mad. So I was like, well, if had a problem with it, she could have just told me herself, and I would have understood that the fact that you had to be a bitch about it to try and tell me. I was like, you could just shut your mouth. And I was just so fed up with it, like, all the shit, and she was just treating me like shit. So I was like, you know what? I'm done respecting you. I'm done trying to respect you and just trying to have a civil life. You want bitchy, you're gonna get fucking bitchy.
Yeah.
And, so that's how that went. Like, I literally told her to shut her big fucking mouth. I said those exact words.
Oh, wow.
And, and shit like that. And, yeah, so she just being a bitch. And, later on, like, today, I was messaging with, like, we were just sharing photos of past stuff that we did when we hung out and took photos and stuff. We just shared the videos and stuff and we were just laughing about it.
Yeah.
And goes, oh my god, I look so hot, like, out of nowhere with no context.
Yeah.
Like, just because we were sharing photos of each other, I mean, and, like, calling each other hot and shit like that, just messing around.
Yeah.
And out of nowhere was like, oh, I'm so hot as fuck, like, she was like, "Oh, my boyfriend's the prettiest boyfriend in the world," or some shit. And I was like, "What the fuck?"
Yeah. Okay.
And then, yeah, and then I was like, I left it, I ignored it, but I was like, "Who says that?" Do you have any cobblestone?
No.
Need another axe? I'll just make a wooden one.
I made 4 more compressed crooks though.
Yeah.
3 I'm going in there, and I'm just gonna help you crook the leaves.
Yeah. But yeah, so yeah, she was saying that, and I was like, right. And then I started talking to about the jerseys and stuff, you know, the school jerseys for Year 12.
Yeah.
And, like, oh, I'm gonna have to bring it up. I can't completely remember how everything went.
Yeah.
Bruh. Okay. Yeah, so this has all happened in the span of like 2 days.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, so me and were just talking, we're having fun, and we're like, we look so good, blah, 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 blah. And then just, you know, out of nowhere saying shit like, where is it? She was like, yeah, just want to say that I'm hot as fuck, but I was talking to about the jerseys, so this is after me and talking about like each other.
Yeah.
We were talking about the school jerseys, and you know, was just like, yeah, I'm hot as fuck, and then she goes, and I have the prettiest boyfriend. I didn't respond to it. I just kept talking to about the jerseys.
Yeah.
And then goes, oh wait, I'm the only one with a boyfriend, laughy face. I didn't say anything either. Like, I didn't respond to it. And then I was talking to with like the ideas and stuff. And then she goes, imagine not having a cool profile picture.
Oh. Wow.
And, like, I didn't say anything. I was still talking to like, completely ignored it. And then shared a photo of me, and I was like, goated. Like, funny.
Yeah. What a bitch.
And then, yeah, and then we kept sharing photos of like AFL and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then was like, am I the only one who doesn't like the button up? And like the jersey jacket, and I was like, yeah, probably, like everyone else likes it. And then freaking goes, hell nah, me don't like the button up. And I was like, I don't particularly like it either.
Yeah.
And then later on, after that, freaking responded to my message saying I don't particularly like it, and she goes, then don't get it. And I was like, right, I wasn't planning to. And then she goes, then stop complaining. And yet it was who first said that she didn't like the normal shirt jersey type thing.
Yeah.
And I was just saying like, yeah, I don't like it either. And then was like, just stop complaining. And I was like, what?
Yeah.
Like, it's completely stupid.
Yeah, I think she's just picking on you on purpose.
Yeah, and I've literally fucking given up on like respect and being nice and shit like that.
Yeah.
Like, absolutely. Like, she's sending photos of her like really old photos and saying, oh my god, I love these chicks, blah blah blah, and like keep posting them everywhere.
Yeah.
And I know they were old photos because they were from like maybe a couple of months ago, like before COVID.
Yeah.
And like, yeah, she started like posting in the group chat and stuff like that, the exact same photo, and I was like, what? So I was like, I was telling about this, and she's like, yeah, that's kind of stupid. Like, she a bitch, etc.
Next time you and, like, after COVID and everything, you and your friends go out, you should take me with you.
Yeah. I was thinking...
Even if goes.
Yeah. Yeah. given up. Literally. Couldn't care less.
Yeah.
She wants petty, she wants bitchy. She fucking getting petty and bitchy. I'm literally done with that shit.
Well, fair enough.
Done being treated like shit and done
Can I
fucking,
have that?
sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, literally just done with her in general.
Yeah. Not surprised.
Yeah.
Like, I could try and make a clay bucket, but I kind of want an iron bucket.
Yeah. Like, okay, a lot of people don't really like her, but they rather tolerate her than tolerate me, I guess. Or she said shit to people, which makes them not talk to me, but I honestly couldn't care less about that shit anymore.
Yeah.
I've got Phoenix, I've got the boys, I'm good. Got the chaps, got the fucking... I got Phoenix, she's fine. Like...
It'll
got
be
2 years
fine.
left.
Yeah, exactly.
2 years left.
And you won't fucking
plus...
see any of them ever again, like...
Yeah. Yeah, like... I thought, like, at least she was my friend, but I guess she's just... She's the one person who, like, doesn't pick sides, but then secretly does, but no one knows. Like, she's the questionable one.
Yeah.
So you can't tell if she's, on your side or not, or if she's got a problem with you because she doesn't speak up. But yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think we've done pretty well.
Yeah.
The main thing that we're going to have to do is make sure that we keep filling all these dirt things up so that I can make a ton of crap. We're on our way to getting an iron bucket. I just need one more lump of or iron shards to make the iron chunk.
Yeah.
And then we'll be able to get that water sorted and move on to our Stone Age.
What did we get up to in the achievements?
Let me
Sift
have a look.
gravel. Did not do tools. Did
So
you make?
we completed the whole first double page where it says wood age, and then just the sieve gravel.
Okay, so we've got a couple.
We need
more,
to make
but...
Tinker's contract tools. We need to make clay, the crucible, make lava, and the cobblestone generator, and then we'll be able to move on to the Stone Age.
Oh.
But yeah, that's where we're up to.
I guess that sums it up for this episode. Yeah. I guess we got pretty far with all this dirt and this sieves and these random ass trees with the num-nums. Oh god, the num-nums. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.